How to fix fail to connect to Rockstar Game Library Services. For this first step, you need to restore the Rockstar Game Library Services. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. The services page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Rockstar Game Library Services. Click it. Click Properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual, but the service status it should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to start it and make sure it should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And once more you need to right click and restart it. After completing, close it and come to next step. Run the launcher as an administrator. For this, right click, click properties, click compatibility, and click run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. And come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and check for Rockstar Game Launcher and make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the option itself not having means you need to click allow on the app and click browse. A easy method, go to open file location of the Rockstar Game Launcher, copy the address, come back, paste the address here. You can easily get the application. After that, click it and click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add and make sure you should enable in both private and public. After come to next step, go to this PC, right click, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Because all the files and folders are in C drive, that's why we are scanning only C drive. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. And so after completing this, we need to close it. We have seen the successfully scanned. After that, close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text msconfig. Click OK. A system configuration page will appear. In this, click services. Click hide all my Microsoft services. Click disable all. Click apply and OK and restart it.